Hi guys, welcome to the technology in the future. Today we are introducing you the concept of Poco X2 Pro. The Poco X2 Pro is one of the budget-friendly smartphones with a powerful camera setup. The phone is offered with a powerful RAM along with MS storage space for its users. Considering the price range of the device and the features it comes with, this mid-range smartphone is sure to be on the wish list of many potential buyers. The specification of this new handset of the new independent brand is looking impressive. Let's start with the specs of this smartphone. The Poco X2 Pro features a 7-inch IPS LCD bezel-less punch-hole display. The phone gets a screen resolution of 1080 by 3200 pixels with a pixel resolution of 395 ppi. The phone outer body comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 6 covering on it that ensure protection of the screen. The phone gets an attractive glossy back panel and the design of the X2 gets a USB Type-C charging port. The phone features a powerful quad camera setup on the rear. The setup gets a 108 megapixel primary camera and 18 megapixel ultra-wide angle field of view lens followed by two 8 megapixel cameras with an hole of 2.7 and depth sensing feature. The front fascia of the Poco X2 Pro gets a dual camera setup in the front, a unique feature in the price range. The dual lens setup comprises of a 24 megapixel and 5 megapixel cameras embedded in the punch hole of the display. The Xiaomi Poco X2 Pro runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset that rests over an octa-core processor, clocking at a speed of 2.2 GHz. The graphics section of the device is powered by Adreno 618 GPU to ensure a seamless gaming experience. The device maker offers the phone with 8GB RAM. For storage purpose, the Poco X2 Pro offers an internal storage capacity of 128GB which can be expanded up to 512GB using micro SD card. The connectivity list of the phone includes dual-band hybrid SIM slot, Wi-Fi 5G GHz, Bluetooth version 5.0, mobile hotspot and a GPS. The phone showcases a non-replaceable 5000 mAh battery that supports up to 30W quick charging. Xiaomi Poco Phone X2 Pro expected price 27,000 and expected release date June 2020. So this is information about the Xiaomi Poco X2 Pro. Connected for more updates and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.